going to discuss a very important part of English grammar, that is composition. Composition in Latin means to put together. It is putting together words and sentences, assembling them together in a sequence in such a way that we revolve around an idea or around someone or something. When I say revolving around, that time here I mean to say it is like describing or talking more about an idea, about someone or something. Compositions are a very important part of English language, where composition is used to. A composition is a short piece of writing that generally we do it at school and college level. When I say about a composition, remember here we try to tell in detail. A composition is a short piece of writing that generally we do it at school and college level. When I say about a composition, remember here we try to tell in detail about something, someone, we share our ideas, our views, our opinions all together to bring a composition to an end, to write a composition. Children, whenever we are writing a composition, it's very important to start writing the composition with the title of the composition. When I say title, here I mean the name or the heading or the main idea around which we are going to write the composition. And we divide our composition in three main paragraphs. Here the three main paragraphs, the three main parts of a composition are the introduction part, the description part and the conclusion part. You will write your first paragraph as the introduction. In introduction you are going to write what is the main idea, what is related to the title or the topic of the composition, plus your approach. When I say your approach, remember here in introduction you are going to in one or two sentences only you will give an idea that what you are going to write in the rest of the composition, where around what your composition will revolve, what idea, what thought or what description will it revolve around. In the second paragraph you are going to write description, that is in detail about the title or the topic. Discussing if it is about a thing, then discussing the color, shape, size, use and other things about the thing. If it is about someone, then they're talking about his physical personality, his behavior, his nature and other things. Then you come to the conclusion part of the composition. In the conclusion part of the composition you are going to write the main concluding statement or statements, where you will write a complete gist of the whatever you have written in the first two paragraphs. It's going to be a complete gist or an closure idea of the topic. Whenever you are writing the paragraph, you will start with the margin line. Remember, you can leave here one or two lines to show a gap between paragraphs. And here in the description paragraph, you are small children, you are writing in one paragraph. When we will grow older, we can break it into two or three smaller paragraphs to write the description of something. So if I am talking about writing about rainy season, then in the begin I can start as an introduction talking about which season we are having now at present, that is the rainy season, and what are the different features of rainy season in India and what type of weather it is. Like it is beautiful, mesmerizing, water all over. These few 2-3 things we will talk in the introduction part. Then coming to description, here we can describe in detail what type of a weather, how is the sky outside, how do we feel when it is rainy season, then what do we do, what kind of food we eat, we can revolve our write-up in the description around all these thoughts, and there are many other thoughts. Then coming to the conclusion part, here we can write that we can tell about what are the, though it has both advantage and disadvantage, rainy season, because in rainy season we need to dry our clothes inside, it smells because of the rain, but then we get to see many different animals and their activities, like a frog, we can see a frog croaking, we can see a peacock dancing, then the flowers and trees look very happy as if they are laughing, isn't it? This all we can write in our concluding statement, and whether you like or you don't like, and what is your interest related to this weather, this season. So this is a brief description of how to write a composition, and we will write it in we discuss it in detail in the Google Meet class.